Hello guys, we are back again. Welcome to Mel Production Service. Today's topic is about components that are connected to a motherboard. For more information about motherboard is that motherboard is what connects everything. And what makes a motherboard? A motherboard is the connection between a CPU and a memory. And if you want to know more information about motherboard, like what is a motherboard and how does it works, there is a link in description of my previous video that I released about what is a motherboard. So in this video, we will be showing components that are connected to a motherboard. Here we have components that are connected to a motherboard. Firstly, we have what we call CPU, or you can call it a processor. Secondly, we have memory that we call RAM, which is a short-term memory. I will explain it later in the next upcoming videos that I will be releasing. Thirdly, we have a memory that we call ROM. And also we have a storage memory that we call a hard drive. We have BIOS and CMOS. We have power supplies, ports, cables and connectors in the computer. We also have input and output devices. Okay, right. In the next upcoming video, I will be explaining CPU, and please do not forget to click subscribe button to be notified in the next videos that I will be releasing. Thanks for watching this video. See you up front. Thank you.
Yeah.